Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video I'm going to show you how to make coleslaw, and this coleslaw is so easy to make and it's so much better than any you can buy in the shops. So let's get cooking. The first thing I'm going to do is to cut up my cabbage. Now I like to have them in fairly long strips, but you can cut them up as small as you like or as big as you like. So I have about 2 cups of cut up cabbage here, and any leftover cabbage I like to use my beeswax wrap and wrap my cabbage in there because it lasts a really long time in the fridge like that. And I make coleslaw really often. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to need about half a carrot and we're going to grate that up. And we're also going to add about a good teaspoon of a grated onion in there. Now that all my vegetables are ready, I'm going to transfer them to a bowl. Then we're going to get ready to dress the coleslaw. So to do that, we're going to need some mayonnaise, some salad cream, malt vinegar, and some salt and pepper. So for 2 cups of cut up cabbage, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 4 tablespoons of salad cream, 1 tablespoon of malt vinegar, and a little sprinkle of salt and pepper. And if you find it too sour, you can add a little bit of sugar in there too. Then mix it up really well. And to make it vegan, just substitute vegan mayonnaise and vegan salad cream for the regular ones. Now, it's a good idea to make this about 30 minutes before you're ready to enjoy it, because that allows the mayonnaise and the salad cream to absorb the flavor of the onion, and that makes this coleslaw really delicious. If you want to add more mayonnaise in there, just go ahead and do that. You can adjust the seasonings as you like it. But this is the basic recipe of coleslaw, and it's so easy and so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and join me again soon for some more cooking inspiration.